मन की बात बाइकर के साथ में आपका स्वागत है। आज हमारी गेस्ट है मिस सिंडी और सिंडी अपने बारे में आपको कुछ बताने वाली हैं, तो प्लीज़ फॉलो कीजिए मैम, बताइए अपने बारे में।
Hi everyone, myself Cindy. I'm a professional bike race, also a professional rider. I have completed all India ride. I mean, I have completed all 29 states and 5 union territories of India in my 150cc bike, 40 days. Also, recently I have covered my Golden Quadrilateral ride. And in racing, I have finished the TVS One Make Championship runner in 2017, and I also won a championship in broom racing. So that is my short introduction about my racing riding career.
So, yes ma'am, please tell the viewers that about your racing career, what you have done and how you started this career.
Okay. I have started my racing career professionally in 2013. Before that, I used to bike. I don't know much about motor. There is one particular career where we can achieve. So I didn't know that and all. Just like that, I have started riding small bikes like let's say CT100 and Splendor. I started riding bike in my school days. Then at one point of time, I wanted to do something in bike. That time I came to know about professional racing. There is a track. There is a track MMRT in Chennai, and there is another track in Coimbatore. So through my Facebook friends, I get to know that more about racing. That's how I started racing in 2013. When I started, there was no separate class for girls. What we have to do is that time I have to race with guys. Okay. Then getting a proper racing suit, proper helmet, it's a big deal by the time. There is not that much supporter also. So I used to lend my racing suit from few of the friends and seniors whom I know. That's how my racing career started. Later on, Honda One Make Championship, they have given me a wildcard entry in 2014. So after that, there was one guy who finished behind me. There is only one guy. It's almost 16 members who have started the race. One guy who finished behind me, I am in a 15th position. So that gives me a lot of confidence. Like at least I am not the last one to finish the race. I finished one person before the race. So that motivated me to do a lot of things. That's how I started career. And in 2016, a separate racing, a separate supporter race for girls has come up. Then I participated in that and I was there in the podium. After that, slowly I started my racing career. Then we have come up with our racing school, which is accredited by FMSCI, which is called AS Motorsports. And we have a team also, AS Motorsports racing team also. So this is all about a short introduction about my racing career and racing team. Now I'm participating both in circuit racing, also in drag racing.
Okay, ma'am. MMSC and FMSCI Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship.
Okay. So FMSCI, it stands for Federation of Motor Sports Club of India. In a short wise, for cricket, how there is an Indian Cricket Council. Likewise, for motor sports, in India, the governing body is FMSCI. So any motorsport activity which is, they are organizing in India, have to get approved from my FMSCI. For example, the event which is running by FMSCI is an approved event, like a governing body in India. What is MMSC is Madras Motor Sports Club, which is the organizing organizing club for the racing events. The MMSC is the oldest racing club. They are organizing all national championship events, which is approved by FMSCI. So there is two different categories. One is national championship, another one is one make championship. So these two categories of championship, which is organized by MMSC. So Madras Motor Sports Club. MMRT is Madras Motor Race Track. So in Chennai, there is a track called MMRT, that is the Madras Motor Race Track, where national and one make championship races will be conducted.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you please tell me that a group of you have like a biker babes? So just tell the viewers about that. Okay. and AS
Okay.
Motorsports too.
Okay. So in 2000, when I started riding a bike as a profession, that time there is no much girls who have been riding in 2013 that time. So what I decided is I could form a club where I can appreciate other girl riders, and then I can bring lot of girl riders in racing, also in riding. That motivated me to open a new club which is called Biker Babes. I started Biker Babes in the year 2014 uh, with only two girls that time.
Okay.
Now it has been grown up, and we have lot of girls. Almost 50 girls are there in my team. A few of them are very, very, very active in regions. We go for long rides and short rides, weekend ride, go for breakfast ride, and also want to do something the society also. So we come up with an idea like we have to do some social awareness activities also along with the riding.
Okay.
So we have conducted lot blood donation camp and park cleanup activities, helmet awareness activity, and lot of activities we have conducted in Babes. It's all about riding club, which also motivate girls to come into racing, and also off-road and on-road racing. We will detail them. Sometimes I teach girls how to ride a bike also. So Biker Babes is something kind of this. And when I come to AS Motorsports totally different, which is a racing team.
Okay.
So what we do is, in 2013, when I started racing, at that time there is like anyone can get FMSA license, those who have a road license.
Okay.
But now FMSA has come up with the syllabus, like if you want to get into racing, you have to complete a level 1 or level 2 or level 3. Like there is level 1, level 2, level 3. You can do any one of the certification course, and with that certificate, you can apply for your license in the FMSCI website. Once you get your license, you can participate in the one make and national championship. So there has been lot of racing schools where FMSCI approval has been given to few of the racing schools. One among the school is our AS Motorsports. We train young talents to get into racing. Also, we teach them what is professional racing, along with the safety and other safety measures, and how they have to deal with the racing technical details and other specific details. Also about the there is lot of things. There is in and out about our racing. Everything scrutiny and lot of things is involved. We will teach everything in that level 1 course, and we will provide them with a certificate. Apart from that, we have a racing team also, AS Motorsports racing team.
Okay.
So in that team, we develop riders who can participate in national championship and one make championship. So we'll teach them to become more and more faster. Everything we have a 5 trainers. So one trainer is my husband. He's almost finished 8 championship titles in MMSC and MRF MMSC national championship. And I am taking care of girls. Like whenever girl riders has come in, I'll be training them. Also, we have Satish. He's also having a multiple times national title. Also, he finished 600cc championship also. So we have 5 trainers who will train them, and we will introduce them into a national and one make championship.
Okay, great, ma'am. If any viewer and any rider want to join your club, so how is the procedure? So can you just tell the viewers?
Yes, they can contact us in our Insta or Facebook page. Also, we have a website, a.s motorsports. So in Insta, they can find us by the name AS Motorsports. In Facebook, they can find us by a.s motorcycle racing. So they can ping there. We can give them about what we are doing, what is the syllabus for the L1, L2 and L3 categories. We are conducting our basic course in go-kart track. and the level 2 will be conducted in MMRT. And we also conducting in Bangalore. We go to Miko Kartopia. We will train them. Like for example, in North or somewhere, we also conducted one training session in Niswal along with the Mizoram Motorsport Association. So likewise, we will plan, and if there is a lot of riders, we can organize like one particular academy for them in their own place also. They don't want to come to Chennai. We can, if they have a go-kart track or any big tracks, we can plan our academy session in their own place also.
Okay, so viewers, you can join a group of members by ma'am. So you can contact her on her Instagram and you, and which channel you said, like a website you have, right?
Yes, it's AS Motorsports. If they can find AS Motorsports in Insta or in Google, they will be finding out our details. So they can contact me or Andy. We both are taking care of our racing team and racing school. So any details they can contact. We will assist them about what are all the safety gears they have to get, how they have to get prepared, what should be their diet plan, how they have to maintain their fitness. Everything we will be teaching in our level 1 and level 2 and level 3 categories.
Okay. Just tell the viewers that about your first runner-up championship. What you have done in that championship?
Okay. I have participated in few championship only because we both have to participate in racing. So when my hubby is participating in racing, I'll be taking care of the team. So in vice versa, we will plan. So I have participated only in few championship. The one which I have participated at the TVS One Make Championship in the first year when they introduced a ladies category. So that time I finished second in the TVS National Championship, first runner-up. So that is a great experience because it was a good fight with my co-rider. But unfortunately, I had a very bad crash in one of the round where I thrown out of the bike in the back straight. So what happened? I couldn't complete that particular race. So I was behind in the championship points. So that's how the race went. And in one race I finished first. The other one I have finished second. So likewise I have finished one race like other, and one race I have been crashed. So it was a very good time with the TVS bike. You know how a TVS machine is built. That too Apache 200. There is a lot of power in that bike. When we open the throttle, it will fly like anything. So for my weight, that is a wonderful bike. I experienced a lot in MMRT track with that machine. I was so happy. Because of that crash, I couldn't perform well in the last round. So anyway, I'm so happy with what is the result which I have got, even though I haven't participated in the last round. That's how I finished second. And then I came back to drag racing championship. You know, drag racing is almost a 400-meter long straight. So I wanted to give a try. In 2016, one of my brother, his name is Aravind Ganesh, he has introduced me to drag racing. So that's how I get into drag racing. Then I started my drag racing career. I started finishing in good times. I start to compete with the guys also in up to 500cc category, where I ride my KTM 390cc bike. So that is another different experience. Circuit racing is a total different one, and drag racing is a total different thing. So in technical wise, we will enjoy both the sides. Like this should be like more quick. It will finish in 40 or 30 or 15 seconds, even less than that. But circuit racing is something like we have to go for 10 laps round, and we will get a different feel in braking point, our vision, everything should be totally different. So I like both the fields and I want to participate. Then I started my drag racing career. And
you have comes in a India Book of Records, ma'am. So can you just tell us that what you have done in that?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I have got India Book of Records for the title covering all 29 states and 5 union territories of India solo in 42 days. So right now in women's category, I completed all 29 states and 5 union territories in solo category. So for that, I have got India Book of Records. The reason I did this particular ride, covering all 29 states and 5 union territories, is against women's sexual harassment.
Okay.
So in 2019, I did this right. In 2019, I was like coming across lot of issues against women's and child sexual abuse. So it's giving me a lot of pressure in my mind why these things are happening for women and girls. So I thought I could do some change. Even though I'm not bringing a lot of change, at least I could spread some awareness about the sexual harassment, and I can educate young kids, women, children's about the good touch and bad touch. So what I thought is I can do something which is related to my passion, so I can take this course in all India. So that's how I started this particular ride. I have started this ride in Kanyakumari. So I traveled all the way to north and I covered all northeast. Then I go back to Delhi. From Delhi, I went to Ladakh, Kardungla via Srinagar. From there, I came back to Rajasthan, Udaipur, and from there I went to Daman and Diu, and there I came back to Kanyakumari. So this is how I have covered all 29 states. Also, I went to Madhya Pradesh, and then I went to Odisha. So I spent a lot of time with schools and colleges, and in local places, in tea shops, and in any public meeting places. I just go stop my bike with a banner stating that women sexual harassment ride. I started talking about what is this all about. I will educate them about the good touch and bad touch. I'll teach parents they have to be openly talk this with the girls. I mean, not totally open, like at least in a language where they can understand about the good touch and bad touch. So I started spreading awareness, and I went all 29 states and 5 union territories of India in 42 days. So that is one of my best moment in my life, because traveling all India is always a dream for every rider. And that too I did for a cause which gives me a lot of motivation in that particular ride. So I have got India Book of Records for that. So one of the best memory in that particular ride, when I'm there in Ladakh, I met a lot of bikers. I met a lot of local people. I started talking about this women sexual harassment topic. So that rider, they have communicated through a word of mouth to a lot of persons. Still, they have become my friends and they are communicating with me. They are telling them about that particular ride. It's been almost 2 years now, but they are spreading that awareness. Even now, we are talking about that topic. It's all because of that ride. So that is one of the most forgettable ride in my life. So also getting an India Book of Records for that is an added, added sugar for that.
Ma'am, we appreciate for you. That's a great initiative, ma'am. So
thank you so much.
yes, ma'am. The
Thank
small
you.
thing can make changes, ma'am, in India. So we thought that
Exactly.
you have done a great work, ma'am. You achieved another award too, a superhero award, I think. So can you just tell us about it?
Yes. No, every time when I'm like doing something, one or the other company will always come up appreciating others. So that is one of the biggest motivation for us to do lot more things when it comes to riding, or when it comes to society, or when it comes to racing. So that's how there is one particular college which is called Madras School of Social Work. So they have recognized me, and they come up with this particular award called Superhero Award. So I have nominated for that award, and finally I got through and I got that award. So I feel very happy when I got this superhero award. So I may not be a very big person, or I don't say that I have bring a lot of change in the society, but the small thing which I came across has been motivating others to do something different. So that's the main thing where I got this superhero award from the Madras School of Social Work. So that is one of the best moment, because that particular award, which contains it would be designed like Valentino Rossi, who is in a tuck-in position in a MotoGP. Like it should be a glass frame.
Okay.
So that award, whenever I saw that award, every time. It keeps me pushing to do lot more things. So that is one of my biggest moment when I received this superhero award from MSSW.
So can you just tell that about it?
Exactly. So that is again like I will remember that till my last breath, because in 2014 that is for women. I mean women's awareness also. For CM birthday, they have provided almost 6,666 helmet. In that first helmet, they decided to give some of the achiever whom they are related to motorsports. So for that, my name has been nominated, because in 2014 I am the only girl to participated in the Honda One Make Championship as a wildcard entry. So my name was nominated for the secretariat, and I have been selected. And that day when I went to the secretariat, I feel like I couldn't explain that feel, because I'm surrounded by ministers and the CM is coming in a different. She's coming in a different lift, full bodyguards behind me, and ministers. When I went and spoke to CM, she started appreciating me. I can't even blink my eyes. So I was seeing her, she's appreciating me. So that is one of my another best moment in my life, receiving that could be a normal element, but then the feel which I get through and the appreciation from a lady who achieved a lot of things is again a different thing. No matter in which they are into politics or something different, that she has succeeded something in their own way. So when I'm getting an helmet and an appreciation from her, that is again another beautiful moment in my life which I could cherish for my whole lifetime.
Ma'am, what is your experience with us? So just tell on the Injust channel. So how do you feel with joining with us?
Yeah, this is again a different experience for me. In the middle of something, we have started this conversation, so it's so nice. I'm so happy to give an interview in Agent 30. So thank you so much. Definitely, we will be connecting you in soon. So thank you so much for this opportunity, Agent 30.
Yeah, you're welcome, मैम. एंड व्यूवर्स, वी वांट टू टेल यू दैट कि बहुत ही अच्छा जो है नॉलेजेबल एक इंटरव्यू टॉक शो रहा है मैम के साथ, और हम चाहेंगे कि और भी बाइकर राइडर के साथ आपको एक टॉक शो के थ्रू हम उनकी नॉलेज जो है आप तक पहुंचा पाएँ. और प्लीज़ इसी के लिए हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजेंट 30, एंड इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पर भी आप लोगों को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. और मैम, इन द एंड वी वांट टू टेल यू दैट थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस अगेन, एंड this time we want to say stay home, stay safe in this time, and thanks for joining.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Agent 30, for giving me a wonderful opportunity to share my experience, so that your followers and other persons, like not only in South India, so this is going to take me in a different in your place. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Agent 30. Thank you so much, viewers. Take care, be safe.